how to delete your N26 account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is transfer all of your entire account balance to another bank. So for that, simply get to your home, and then from here, what are we going to do is simply tap on transfer and transfer it all to another bank, right? So after doing that, in app, what we're going to do is simply search for close account. So for that, you can tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. Here you'll actually be able to find the close account option. If you scroll down a bit, simply tap on that one, and then from there you can actually fill out the formal closing form on their website. So after doing that, N26 will process the request and send a confirmation email once you have completed, and that is exactly how you will be able to know that you have successfully deleted your N26 account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.